back. Hi everybody! We're trail riding today. The woods are open finally. Woohoo! Yeah, we're out here having some fun in a gravel pit here. Beautiful day. A little cool out. I think I might set up the camera here somewhere and see if I can maybe get some footage of me riding around, I guess. That was fun. So I grew up not too far from where I'm at right now. And when I was a kid, I used to play in this gravel pit all the time. It has certainly changed because most of these hills were leveled down and dug up and so on. It was a used gravel pit for a long time, and now it's just trails mostly. It is a lot of fun, and it's kind of cool being back here after all these years. Because we used to jump off the hills and run around. We used to build forts in here. It was great. It's good to reflect on things once in a while. But in the same breath, the past doesn't really matter much. It's good to reflect on the good times. But they say there's a reason that mirrors are smaller than the windshield. It's because what's ahead of you is a lot more important than what's behind you. Welcome back. Just taking a break here at the gravel pit. Hanging out, taking a little break. It's a beautiful day here. I actually grew up not too far from this gravel pit. I used to run and jump from the top of the hills, land in the soft sand below. I remember doing that once. I got my knee right in my eyeball. Gave myself a black eye with my own knee. That was fun. I think it was right over there actually. Trees were all grown up in here now. It was a long time ago. Well, first I fell down, then I got stuck. All in a day's fun. We got it. I hope you got that. Just trying to catch my breath and get my heart rate back down. My Apple Watch says my heart rate's 154. I got some water. I'm just kind of slowing down a little rather than stopping completely. It's like running a sprint. You don't just stop instantly. That took a lot out of me. That bike is heavy. I smell gas pretty strong. It's been leaking out of there somewhere from being flipped over. And it was over on an angle upside down the other way. It was really difficult to lift it up that way, so I had to grab the back wheel and spin it around, so the trajectory was a little bit different when I lifted on it. And that made it a little bit easier to lift it forward, although typically you would lift it backwards like I started to do. But where it was on that bit of an angle, it was just easier to do it the other way. Maybe if I took Dave's fat ass out of the back of it, it wouldn't have been quite so heavy. Just saying. Screw you, Dan. I think we're good to go. My heart rate's back down to 109. My legs feel like jello. Today wasn't leg day. Leg day's on Wednesdays. Whew.